हाँ थैंक यू। सॉरी वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रॉब्लम हो गई, लाइट चली गई तो
और इसके पश्चात कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए आज के हमारे वेबिनार के जो प्रेरक भी हैं डॉक्टर प्रमोद कुमार शुक्ला जी को आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी। सर के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ मैं कि सर सीनियर लेक्चरर ऑफ इंग्लिश EMRS सरपा 1 बस्तर में कार्यरत हैं, जो कि एक बहुत ही दूरी क्षेत्र है जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं। और सर का परिचय देते हुए बताना चाहूंगी कि आपके नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल जर्नल्स में कई लेख प्रकाशित हो चुके हैं, आपकी कई किताबें भी प्रकाशित है और वर्तमान में आप रायपुर से प्रकाशित होने वाले शोध संप्रेषण जर्नल के अंग्रेजी के एडिटर भी हैं। सर का आज का विषय है ग्रूमिंग कॉलेज स्टूडेंट विद सॉफ्ट स्किल। तो सर मैं आपको सादर आमंत्रित करना चाहती हूँ।
थैंक यू भूमिका मैडम। I would like to pay my regards to Honorable Principal Sir Thakur Sir, Professor Meravi Sir, Professor Patel, Professor Gajanan and Sharma Madam you, as well as Professor Sarita Jan Madam, Professor Patel Sir, D.K. Patel Sir and Professor Deepak Sir from Mumbai University. And I must say I am very grateful that you have given your precious time to us. And hello, and now today I am going to discuss over my topic, that is regarding soft skill. As you know, what happens in our school and colleges, if they are taught some skills by their teachers, but I would like to discuss here some different type of skills which are in general not used by the teachers to tell in a formal way. So I prepared one small PPT. I would like to share it. So I am stopping here my video and sharing my screen. Bhumika ma'am, is it okay there from your side? Hello, Patel sir.
Okay sir.
My screen is visible, na?
हाँ visible है।
Okay. Women students with soft skills. Actually, I am going to share here some type of soft skills which are in general not taught in our school and colleges. I just prepared it from with the help of internet and other sources, and some of views are mine. Just sharing one quote: employers want soft skills from graduates. It is result of survey done last year by InsideHired.com. That means the employers see soft skill in any graduate or from any employee. I would like to start with one question. Just how many of you know two main laws of thermodynamics, or what are the values of sin theta, cos theta? हम लोग पढ़े ना in 10th, sin, cos, tan, trigonometry. I would like to discuss here कि what are the uses of in real life, है ना? Well, I'm not going to teach here. Actually, I'm not just asking to start my session. I'm not going to teach here. You learn a lot of these things in our in schools and colleges, and as well as I embedded all these things too. I know, and you are agree that there are many things we have learned from school and college teachers. There is hardly any practical application of academic studies. Practical application, I must focus, I must stress the word practical application. As I should share my experiences of life after graduation, when I moved in real world, that means the world where you go without the help of anyone. है ना? When you move in your real world, I discover in myself that as much as academic skills are essential, well, the life skills, that is soft skills, are also equally important. The problem is that life skills were hardly taught in our school or colleges, and there is also a good chance today these life skills are fairly unknown to people. So I am going to tell everyone whoever present are listening to me, whether students, scholars or my fellow teachers, you should know certain life skills or soft skills which make your life easier. Before going to the detail, just I mention here the definition of soft skill. As you can see, soft skills are non-technical skills that relate to how you work, take notes, how you interact with fellow students or colleagues, and so and so. These are personal attributes. I must mention here the source, one source taken from careerindia.com. It is very important. These are skills that can be used to convey ideas and messages in an effective manner. These skills can also be used to handle serious situations. I must focus again. Handle serious situations. What a nice explanation. While taking care of overall scenario, the soft skills are very important in today's world. According to it is sourced from careerindia.com. Let's see another definition taken from dictionary.com. Desirable qualities for certain forms of employment that do not require knowledge. These include common sense, the ability to deal with people. Again, focus. Ability to deal with people. That is the life skill or soft skill. And a positive, flexible attitude, according to dictionary.com. Let's see some skills, soft skills, which are hardly be taught in our school and colleges, as there is not any this type of subject. The main focus is to pass the examination in our school and colleges. That's why we are not, being a teacher, we are not able to teach them, and that's why I am mentioning here some different type of soft skills like conversation skill, logical thinking skill handling money and personal finance. I will go detail. Just I would like here to discuss about conversation skills, which are very important nowadays. It is prevalent everywhere. This could be with our parents. Patel sir, is it okay from my side? Patel sir, my screen is sharing, na?
No, sir.
Sir, video not visible.
Oh.
Gupta sir, stop sharing.
Bhumika madam, am I audible? My PPT is okay, na? From your side?
No, sir, not visible. Audible but not visible.
Oh no, I am sharing my PPT.
No, sir, not visible, sir.
Oh. Again, so nice PPT I have prepared. Wait.
Sir, please share.
I am sharing the same again.
Okay, sir.
Now is it Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
My screen is visible to you, na sir? Patel sir.
Video, sir. Continue, sir.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. Sorry for inconvenience. Yes, friends, I was just discussing about conversation skill. Conversation जो बातचीत करते हैं, what happens nowadays with our students? Conversation could be with anyone, like our colleagues, teacher, friends, anyone. Interestingly, we are now living in silent generation. Can you believe? We are living in silent generation. Yes. अब डिस्कशन बंद हो चुका है बिकॉज नाउ अवर कन्वर्जेशन डज नॉट रिक्वायर स्पीक विथ समवन. क्या हो रहा है? व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नाउ डेज इन डिजिटल एरा? हम लोग साइलेंट जनरेशन में जी रहे हैं. वी आर लिविंग थैंक्स टू सोशल मीडिया. हमें धन्यवाद देना चाहिए. थैंक्स टू इंटरनेट we are so dependent sources and messages. Due to doing so are busy with social media, personal communication now totally destroyed. I must focus upon the phrase our personal communication now totally destroyed. In life, we need to master the art of moving, how to connect with others personally. That is what I would like an skill. Now it requires to be empathetic and listening effectively, and this only can happen when you spend more time in conversation with other people. दूसरों के साथ हम when we spend our time, तभी हमारा conversation skill बढ़ सकता है. Now in that way is the best to increase your conversation. So you think you have to be master in conversation, start doing that from today. Let's see the second one, logical thinking skill. What is logical thinking skill? Most of students spend day hours to memorize the info. I have mentioned earlier today the main target for the student is to pass out the examination. That's why a lot of time they spend the day hours they spend memorize the thing. आपका रटा हुआ काम नहीं आता at that time when you have to take decision, and that is why we need to use more logical questions, which of course makes through scenario and situations. जैसा situation है, it depends on that. This will equip us to make right decision, which will lead successful life. Let's discuss in brief the third important skill, life skill handling money and personal finance. Skill how to handle money and personal finance just since our student life. Well, money is honey. Someone says, किसी ने कहा है money is honey, rightly said. Money is vital to everyone's life. Saving and investing is not taught, but the youth today, हमारे जो young generation today, they need to know how to be self-employed. This सबको everyone running, following to get government job. How many number of government jobs are available there? That's why we must focus to teach them how to be a self-employed. This skill shows how to set a company structure, how to pay taxes, how to reinvest to the companies, any company. Poor financial management leads to poor quality of life. ये फैक्ट है. पुअर फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट है, देन इट लीड्स टू, ये हमको ले जाता है पुअर क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ की ओर. सीधी बात है इन फैक्ट. एंड दैट्स व्हाई knowledge, the right handling of money and finance is essential for our life. I would discuss here the next important life skill, that is survival skill without technology. We are servant of, totally depend है all. तो कैसे, how we can survive without technology? Though technology is very integral part in our life, we don't have to be always depending on it. हमें कोशिश करना चाहिए एटलीस्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, growing demand of e-books these days leads to leave hard copy of books. Even my or e-books, internet books during this lockdown season, and I am not exception. That happening, we are following to study only e-books, and we are leaving backside our hard copy of books. Even in my childhood, मुझे पसंद रहा है, in my childhood, I love to read books with hard copies. You just understand so well. So it is best to make life simple, overly dependent on technology. हमें कोशिश करना चाहिए. At least we must try. Let's, in brief, I would like to mention the next skill, life skill, which should be taught to the students, that is fixing small things at home. छोटे छोटे चीजों को हम घर में कैसे उसको जो प्रॉब्लम उसको सॉर्ट करें, that is what I am mentioning here. Skill to fix any small things at home. How? Let's see. This is something. There is something interesting. We should have a fair knowledge. थोड़ा बहुत knowledge. We should have a fair knowledge of painting, repairing of our bike, changing the oil, or work of carpenter, or some basic knowledge of electricity work. Basic knowledge. I am not going to be a professional knowledge. Basic knowledge of everything. If you don't have to be professional, no need to be professional, but something basic knowledge you need to know. We need to know. You need to insurance to know what type of damage are under cover in our bike or in our car or anything. This will keep us stress free. क्या होता है? If something problem, then we go to mechanic of our bike. If there is not working the board, switchboard, then we look for any electrician. If we fix by ourselves, अगर छोटा मोटा चीज को हम बच्चों को सिखाए कि how to solve this small problem, how to fix this small problem. अब suppose there is any broken switchboard, any single button, then we go for an electrician. These type of small things can be fixed in our house by ourselves. This should be taught at least to the students. Appreciating to oneself, this I am not going to tell in detail because already this has been discussed by Professor Patel sir, and I must say one or two lines. We should appreciate not only ourselves, but we should appreciate a family member doing good work, doing appreciable work. Why should we be avoid to appreciate? वो बोलते हैं ना in Hindi, I must say, किसी की बड़ाई करने में तो दरिद्रता नहीं दिखानी चाहिए. We must appreciate for any good things without any hesitation. Let's see next skill, empathy. Empathize or empathy skill you can say. Just imagine कि you are in your school and when one day you enter in your class, जब आप बच्चे हैं, जब आप पढ़ रहे हैं 6वीं या 7वीं में या 10th में, and you enter in your class, you start up your
Voice is poor.
वॉइस नहीं जा रही है क्या?
तो स्लो आ रहा है थोड़ा सा।
आ रही है सर, आ रही है, वहाँ नेटवर्क नहीं हो रहा है।
ओके ओके सर, कंटिन्यू।
इज इट ओके ना? माई स्क्रीन इज शोरिंग ना पटेल
हाँ
sir?
ओके ओके।
गुड सर।
हाँ, बस only 5 to 10 minutes. Give me more. Only 5 to 10 minutes. Not more. Now empathy skill I was discussing. Just imagine any students in your student life. You are entering in your room, classroom, and someone student from your class is sitting. They are sitting in corner of the class. और आप उसको देख के अवॉइड कर देना. अगर आप जाके पूछें, सपोज यू आस्क अबाउट हिज कंडीशन, मेंटल कंडीशन, व्हाई ही सैट देयर अलोन, वो जो सहानुभूति दिखता है, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वी मस्ट टेल अवर स्टूडेंट कि इज विद देयर फ्रेंड्स और व्हाट प्रॉब्लम इज विद देयर colleague or anyone. उनसे एटलीस्ट वी मस्ट हैव स्किल टू मेंटेन एम्पैथी. वो we should teach the students in their classes. Let's see next life skill, that is conflict resolving skill. Conflicts are not avoidable. I must focus. Conflicts are not avoidable. विवाद तो होंगे, but they are resolvable. वो हल किए जा सकते हैं, रिजॉल्व किए जा सकते हैं. तो इसमें आई मस्ट मेंशन हियर 2 स्टेप्स. डोंट रिएक्ट. हमको ज्यादा अच्छा रिस्पॉन्ड करें बजाय कि रिएक्ट करें. इन द कंडीशन ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्शन, रिस्पॉन्डिंग सिचुएशन मीन्स कीपिंग इमोशंस इन कंट्रोल एंड फोकस on the problem, not the person. I again focus on the problem. I again saying not on the person. This is resolving the conflict. Let's take example. Your colleague complains about you to your boss कि Dr. Shukla comes late every day. अगर आपका कुलीग, आपके साथी कंप्लेन कर रहा है इस तरह से, तो इन दैट कंडीशन अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस स्किल रिस्पॉन्ड टू इट बाय कमिंग ऑन. समय पे आना शुरू कर दीजिए भाई. दैट इज रिस्पॉन्ड एंड डोंट रिएक्ट बाय शाउटिंग ऑन दैट. अगर आप कुलीग को गाली दे रहे हैं, शाउटिंग कर रहे हैं, दैट इज नॉट दैट. अच्छा है, बेहतर है कि हम उसे रिस्पॉन्ड करें by coming on the time. और सेकेंड स्टेप अगर आई शुड मेंशन हियर कि कम टू एन एग्रीमेंट. एक ऐसा बात कर लें विथ योर कोलीग कि यू वांट टू कम एन एग्रीमेंट क्लियरली एंड पोलाइटली. आप उनसे कम्युनिकेट करें कि व्हाट आर द प्रॉब्लम्स और व्हाट आर द सिचुएशंस विथ यू. ये इस तरह से कॉन्फ्लिक्ट कोई भी है तो रिजॉल्व किया जा सकता है. It's a type of skill. अब स्किल नेक्स्ट 8 नंबर का जो है, दैट इज स्किल टू आस्क और आस्किंग क्वेश्चन. कई बार होता है, वी टीचर बीइंग अ टीचर आई सा इन माय क्लासरूम, और आपका भी अनुभव होगा कि आप कुछ पढ़ा रहे हैं, जस्ट मेनी 2 or 3 स्टूडेंट्स इन एवरी क्लास, कि दे रेज देयर हैंड्स, I want to give answer, sir. I want to give answer. अपने से बोलना शुरू कर देते हैं. However, their answer not equally correct or right. This is very positive. We must increase this type of skill in our students. Let's discuss the next one. That is negotiation skills. These are negotiation. That means we should not complain for our life each and every time. We must teach the same to our students. Be assertive. Be assertive always. मतलब at least positive रहें, not to be negative. You should be confident. Showcase a win-win situation. ऐसा कुछ रास्ता निकाले कि विन की स्थिति आए. Keep options. हमेशा एक विकल्प जरूर रखें स्टूडेंट्स वी शुड टीच देम कि आप मतलब सपोज एनी ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट व्हेन वी आस्क हिम अबाउट हिज एम एंड ही सेज कि वो ही वांट टू बी एन IAS, वो केवल कलेक्टर बनना चाह रहा है, और आफ्टर 2 or 3 years व्हाट हैपेंस, अब हो सकता है सुशांत के मन में रहा हो कि सुपर स्टार बनना चाहता रहा हो और नहीं बन पाया, दैट्स व्हाई ही हैंग टिल डेट, अपने आप को लटका लिया। So we must be negotiable. We teach the students, be negotiate with yourself. This skill should be raised in our students. अब listening और body language listening skill के बारे में तो we have learned a lot from our speaker. फिर भी I must mention here 1 or 2 steps कि listen to the person as if they are the most important people. क्या होता है जब कि हमारे टीचर या किसी को हम सुन रहे हैं, पहले से हम उसके 2 लाइन को सुनकर अगर पहले से थिंक कर ले, सोच ले कि ही इज नॉट गुड स्पीकर, वो फिर क्या होगा, यहाँ से यू आर लिविंग योर लिसनिंग स्किल, आप अपनी स्किल जो सुनने की क्षमता उसे खो रहे हैं। दिस इज बेटर यू विल बी फुल्ली अटेंटिव, आप सोच के रखें कि आपको अटेंटिव रहना है, नॉट जज विद द पास्ट, तो किसी को भी जज नहीं कर सकते कि ही बैड स्पीकर। डोंट बी रश टू स्पीक अबाउट व्हाट इज ही गोइंग टू स्पीक, हड़बड़ी नहीं करना है, एज्यूम नहीं करना है कि वो क्या बोलने जा रहा है। दैट इज व्हाट अंडर लिसनिंग स्किल। बॉडी लैंग्वेज, देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स आवर अर्लियर स्पीकर्स हैव shared with us, but I should say here कि smiling is the smiling face and eye contact, these are few characters we should adopt, and in this way I would like to pay my thank you by heart to all my organizers and what they have given me opportunity to share my thoughts here. Thank you Professor Patel sir, thank you Thakur sir. Should I stop to speak?
Okay sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you sir, thanks for improving our knowledge. आज के वेबिनार में बहुत सारी चीजें सामने आ रही जिससे मैं सहमत हूँ। मैं सर ने भी कहा कि परिस्थिति के अनुसार निर्णय लेने की क्षमता जीवन को बेहतर बनाती है, और जैसा कि हम देखते हैं कि आए दिन अवसाद की जो मात्रा है लोगों में बढ़ते जा रही है, आत्महत्या की दरें बढ़ती जा रही हैं, कहीं न कहीं इसका कारण जो है वो व्यक्तित्व में कोई न कोई कमी का रह जाना, चाहे वो किसी भी उम्र का व्यक्ति हो। आज का जितना भी उद्बोधन